my name is Stefan. I'm with the Bosch Tech Tour. What we're going to be doing is a presentation on something called gas injection and brakes. We partner with a company called Oculus Rift. They just got bought out by Facebook for the principal sum of $2 billion for the virtual reality technology. So it's the most cutting edge technology in the world. The developers kits that we use are the same exact kits that the gamers are actually using right now, along with the developers designing these kits across the world. We're putting you in the engine as a molecule with GDI, which is gas injection and brakes, for 10 minutes.
Well, you put on these goggles and you can actually see exactly what's going on from coming into the intake of the car, going through the filter, going through the turbochargers, combustion chamber, the airflow meters, I mean everything.
It was actually all the way from the air entering the engine, going through the engine, and then out the exhaust. So it was the complete view through these viewfinder.
More of a get familiar with the GDI. It's a new version of the fuel injection system that enables the cars to be able to have smaller engines, utilize a turbocharger, and have great gas mileage and power as well.
Being able to visualize what you guys are doing in the engine gives you another perspective that you never thought possible within the engine. These guys have been working on cars for 40 years. Today is the first time they've ever been inside an engine virtually with a camera. So it gives them a completely new perspective when they're talking to a potential client saying, this is what your injector does, this is how it's reacting, and this is why we need to clean it.
It actually did kind of feel like you were in a matrix because of the display that you're in is a 360 virtual. You can look up and down and side to side, and there's a different picture on every plane. So it was really kind of interesting.
As a Bosch service center, we're authorized and trained to work on these pumps, the new technology that's coming out. And that's why I think it gives us a little bit of a hedge more than any other repair shops.
Autoscope's been great. Honestly, I've been to a lot of BMW dealers across the nation. I personally own a BMW, and this is probably the nicest location I've ever seen for a private shop. There's a certain standard in every industry. Disney sets the standard for guest service. Autoscope is setting the standard for guest service, for the complete guest experience, for the customer experience.
Autoscope, trust and value, the way car repair should be.